Hi Mates from My Life Mates, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing of a traveler's notebook that I purchased from Falcon Travelers. I participated in their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, but it was called something else. They usually run an annual an exhibition, I guess, and this year of course was cancelled, but they held it online, and so I participated in the sale and I purchased a B6 extra large traveler's notebook in the natural leather. I will show you the layout. Inside is called the business style, so I'm just unboxing it here. I usually talk through my unboxing, but this time I just really wanted to take it all in for myself. I know it's a bit selfish, but I just really wanted to enjoy the unboxing process and not have to worry about talking about what I'm seeing or So here you see the 5th anniversary. I guess this was part of their 5th anniversary edition. And I don't know if you can hear that leather squeak. It's just so nice. And what I enjoyed about having her sale online was that she posted everything and she organized it all by size. So she had the website up and then you could choose the size that you wanted, and then there were pictures available of the physical, like the actual notebook that was ready to ship. And so I definitely took part of that. I saw this natural leather B6 extra large and thought, oh, this is really nice. I like the smooth leather on the front. And here is the card that you get with all the information. And I keep forgetting to mention about the Falcon Travelers notebooks, notebook covers. They are very, very true to size. And I don't know, I don't want to sound confusing, but they're true to the size of the Japanese size notebooks, if that makes sense. And she included this really cute, small, mini traveler's notebook in this beautiful green. But yeah, back to the sizing. I find that with the Falcon Travelers, for my personal use, my personal preference, I like to use one, maybe maximum two notebooks in a traveler's cover. And I might have a folder in there, but usually I don't like to bulk things up, and it depends on each artisan. They all have slightly different sizing, and that's absolutely okay. But just note that with the Falcon Travelers notebooks that they are very much true to size. So for a B6 cover that I will show you a little bit later on, it is very flush with my B6 notebook or planner. So here is this beautiful little green traveler's notebook that came in this package. It also came in with two notebooks, blank inserts, which I was really nice to see. One is a blank insert and the other one is a bullet journal. I was so excited, and I think I'm going to definitely try this out for personal use. I know I originally planned to use the A6 Day Free, but I think I'm going to try this one out with the B6 and have both my work and my personal planning all in one notebook, or all in one traveler's notebook. So there's the index on the back. I actually like to have the index on the back. I think I'm just used to that, having the index on the back, and then the pages are numbered as well, and it is dot, yes, it's the insert is with dot grid, and of course there's some cute little bookmarks. And then with the business style, you have the secretarial pocket in the back, and then the layout of the two pockets in the front. And I'm just looking at the edges to see everything is okay. I will do a comparison later on, sharing with you with this original leather notebook compared to their other line, which is the Peregrine line, or a Peregrine line, and I'll show you like a side by side with in terms of thickness. So just to recap, this natural leather traveler's notebook is part of her original leather line. She has the original leather line as well as the Peregrine line as well, and you can see how smooth it is in the front, and I really like it. I like how it's different, like the pockets look a little bit different on the inside as well. So here it is. I'm going to compare it with you side by side. You can see the notebook is quite flush to the actual cover. This is just the regular B6 sized cover. It's not B6 extra large, but it's just the regular B6 cover. This is my work planner that you see me holding onto with the Tokyo Metro map, or like the subway map. It's really, really crazy. But I decided to, yeah, string that through, and you can see with the extra large, I can actually fit in several notebooks, and that's what I think I will do for 2021. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put these sticky notes, and so I decided to just do the same thing as I did in the other notebook. I'll just pass it through one of the elastics, and it fits really, really nice. I might remove the elastic in the middle. So here it is side by side. The Peregrine is on the bottom, and the natural leather, or the original leather, is on the top. You can see there is a difference there in terms of thickness. This is just the one layer. Then here, it's very close, but keep in mind the one on the top will have some pockets. So the pockets are nicely thinned out, and it's a really, really nicely created and made. Before I forget to mention, she hand stitches, her and her husband hand stitch these notebooks, and I can't imagine the amount of time, extra time it takes to have to hand stitch all of these, all the pockets and the sides and everything. So I do appreciate that very, very much, because I don't see that often in or in the creators that I follow. I don't see the hand stitched option, but here it is again side by side. You can see there. I do want to mention one thing. So thank you so much for still being here. I do want to do a giveaway, and I like to hide my giveaways in the videos. I don't usually like to announce it on the title or anything, but I have emailed Monique, and she has approved of me to share a coupon code for 40 euros off a minimum 50 euro purchase. And I know that these Travelers notebooks are not, they're an investment, and but they will last a lifetime. And I really want this to go to somebody that wants to give Falcon Travelers a try. Please keep in mind these are all handmade and all hand stitched, and they're beautiful, beautiful covers. I've been using Monique's covers for years now, and I really, really enjoy her work. So I guess this is open international. Just leave a comment down below and just mention your favorite notebook size. It doesn't have to be a traveler's notebook, but like, what do you like to write in? Do you like A6, B6, B6 Slim? There's just so many out there, so just leave that comment down below. Anyways, this is it for this video. Thank you so, so much for watching. I really, really appreciate you being here. I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. One last thing, I'm in the talks with Monique about a special gift if you decide to use the referral code down below. We haven't really finalized it yet, but if you are watching this maybe perhaps months down the road or years down the road, I will do an update in the description box, leaving a note of what you will receive as the special gift if you use the referral code down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.